This is the Volkswagen Camper 34C, released in 1967 and deleted in 1971, and this was my toy back in the day. First restoration of one of my own childhood toys. As you can see, it's in a pretty poor state in terms of the finish, but actually, apart from a little bend in the door that needs repairing, it's structurally very good. The doors are fine. Okay, quite tricky due to the rivets being so close to the edge for drilling, but anyway, I think it's worked. Let's see. Yes! Thought it wasn't going to work, but it has. Wow, there we are, beautiful. Right, I'm drilling and drilling, and I'm not getting these rivets through to lift the plastic out. I'm worried it's going to smash, or that I'm going to drill through the top. So we'll keep going anyway. That's worked out pretty well actually. Quite pleased with that in the end. Had to use some alcohol rubs and stuff, but came out in the end. Some polish to clean up the plastic as well as possible. Oh, fantastic. The paint has actually come off in one go this time. One coat of the paint stripper and it's coming off, so we can get straight on. The other model took 5 goes, so that's come off straight away. Let's get it washed. And on the base as well. Brilliant. I think this is an improvement as well. Not perfect, but I want to use the original. And I think it is definitely improved, and I think that will be fine. Yeah, that's much better. Brilliant. And that just needs a bit of a wash. In perfect condition, of course, because it's been inside for over many years. After getting all the paint off, you can really begin to see the detail on these. They really are spectacular. The detail on that, the door handle as well. Grill. Marvellous. Here it is after the undercoat. Starting to look pretty good now. And after the paint. That's how we started out. Paint on the base. tyres, a few other little tidy ups, and here's the final result. You can see there's a little bit of spray paint on the rear window which I hadn't spotted at the time, but I did clear that off later. That's really brought it back to life. That is now ready for another generation. Thanks for watching.